Yeah, okay. Today, let's illustrate how to build a pivot table in Excel. The example is to show a pivot table of the number of new dwellings consented in different territorial authorities of New Zealand. Let's go to the data source web page. Yeah, here is the Stacks New Zealand's web page. Each month, it will release the building consent number. The third one is a zipped file, relatively big, about 15 megabytes, is about the new dwellings consented with statistical area information. So you click this link and it will download in a zip file, and then you can open the zip file into an Excel file. The downloaded file look like this with the month and year column 1, and then the SA code and SA name, territorial authority, the TA, total number of dwellings, how many houses, apartments, retirement village, and townhouses. It is a very big file. For example, this one is about 799,000 rows. It would be very difficult to understand about the information in this sequential manner. So we would like to build a pivot table with the TA as horizontal columns and then the year as the vertical rows. Let's show you how to do that. First of all, you click Insert Pivot Table, and it will immediately detect the range of the table. If it's correct, then you click OK into a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. You can choose as an option. And then where are they? Let's just put next to that. Yeah, then you will find all the pivot table fields here for you to take. And there are 4 boxes. As I suggest, we would like to put years, drag the variable month into the box of rows. Yeah, then you will find immediately it shows the years. And then as suggested, we would like to put the territorial authority as column. You drag to the column box, and you will find that it shows the table format we want. Now, what are the values to be shown in this table? So let's say we would like to show the total number of dwelling, drag the total dwelling units into the values box. Then it shows, for example, in 1990, there were 5,646 dwellings consent. Then in 2019 increased to 12,808. Say, for example, if you would like to know about houses rather than total dwelling, so you drag back the total dwelling, drag houses into it, then you will find a smaller number, right, from 3,400 something to 5,600 something. Instead of, so you can filter them based on different variable. Example, if we would like to filter by the total number of dwellings, back total number of dwellings first, and now we can filter by total number of dwellings. Say, for example, the column labels. Yeah, you click the filter, and you do not want to show them all. You can choose any one you like, or we do not want to show, for example, this column area outside TA indeed are all 0. So if we do not want to show 0 column, then you can click value does not equal to 0. The 0 column are removed, but still it seems to be very tedious to take one by one. So we can build a slicer, which you can choose easily. Here you will find an analyze command. Under analyze command, you can insert slicer, and you can choose any variables as the slicer. Let's pick TA as slicer. Then it becomes a very user-friendly slicers for choosing which TA you want to be shown. Let's say, for example, now we only would like to show Auckland. Then you click Auckland. Then the pivot table will only show the Auckland data. It's very easy to use. And if you would like to go back to the original, then you will all the TA, and you can build many different slicers as you like